Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your device name on Google Pixel. This is super useful when you want to personalize your phone or make it easier to identify when connecting to Bluetooth devices or Wi-Fi networks. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon to open up your settings. This is your main hub for all phone configurations and customization options. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down through the various options until you find About Phone. This section contains all the important information about your device, including its model, software version, and the name that identifies it. Go ahead and tap on About Phone to access these details. Now, within the About Phone section, you'll see an option labeled Device Name. This is exactly what we're looking for. Tap on Device Name to proceed. This field controls how your phone appears to other devices and networks, so changing it here will update it across all those connections. After tapping on Device Name, a text field will appear on your screen. This is where you can input your new device name, type in whatever name you'd like to use, whether it's something personal like your name followed by Pixel, or something creative that helps you identify your phone quickly. Once you've entered your desired device name, tap OK to confirm your choice. Next, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This message is important because it informs you that your device name is visible to apps you've installed on your phone. This means any apps that need to identify your device will be able to see this new name. This is completely normal and part of how Android manages device identification. Simply tap OK again to acknowledge this and complete the process. And that's it. Your Google Pixel now has a brand new device name that will appear whenever you connect to Bluetooth devices, cast to smart TVs, or join Wi-Fi networks. You've successfully personalized your device to make it uniquely yours. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.